In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an RSS feed in WordPress. It's an easy guide that will help you effectively integrate this powerful feature into your site. RSS, or really simple syndication, is a way for your readers to keep updated with your latest posts automatically. It's a fantastic convenience that can increase your blog's accessibility and keep your audience engaged. So, let's dive in and set it up. First, make sure you're logged into your WordPress dashboard. This is your site's control panel housing all the things you need to customize and manage your site. Once you're in the dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the Plugins section on the left-hand sidebar. This is where you can add functionalities to your site. Click on Add New under Plugins. You'll now see a search bar in the top right corner of the page. Here, go ahead and type in RSS Aggregator. You're looking for a plugin called WP RSS Aggregator, which is quite popular and highly rated for its efficiency and ease of use. When you spot it, click Install Now, and then hit Activate as soon as the installation is complete. Activation is important as it enables the plugin's functionality on your site. With the WP RSS Aggregator activated, you need to configure it properly. Head over to the new RSS Aggregator option in your sidebar. Click on Feed Sources, then Add New. This is where you'll input the URL of the RSS feed you wish to include. It could be from another site you find valuable or any source your audience will appreciate. Paste the URL into the RSS feed source box. Take a moment to review different configuration settings available for this feed source. You can set the feed to update at certain intervals, which is particularly useful to keep your content fresh and regularly updated. Depending on your preference, you might want to adjust how many items you'd like pulled from each feed. You might start with the default until you gauge how it fits the workflow of your site. Click Save Feed when you're satisfied with your settings. The feed you've added should now appear in the list of active feed sources. This list is essentially your control center for managing the different RSS inputs on your site. If you ever want to change the settings or add new feeds, this is where you come back to. Now comes the fun part of actually displaying these feeds on your site. Head to the Widgets area under Appearance in your dashboard sidebar. Look for the WP RSS Aggregator widget and drag it to one of the widget-ready areas of your theme, like the sidebar or footer. Configure the widget settings, choosing how you want the feed items displayed. And that's it. You've successfully added an RSS feed to your WordPress site. From here on out, your site visitors can access real-time updates from your chosen sources without having to scour multiple websites. It's a simple yet efficient way to enhance your site's functionality and offer greater value to your users. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you feel empowered to further explore RSS feeds in WordPress.